If you reach this page, then you are probably wondering how to file for bankruptcy. In just a few minutes, this video will explain that process. There are really only 3 steps. Step 1. Research your options. Bankruptcy may not be your only one. For instance, a consumer proposal provides you legal protection from your creditors and may be an easier way to solve your debt problem. The best way to research your options is by talking to a debt professional that is versed in all the methods of dealing with problem debt, not just one. In Canada, that would be a licensed insolvency trustee, LIT for short. LITs are licensed by the Canadian government. This enables them to advise and support you in a way that no other debt professional can. So first determine if a bankruptcy is necessary. If it is a must, use your licensed insolvency trustee to file. So it makes sense to start your research there. It means if you discover other solutions are not suitable, you can discuss the implications of bankruptcy with them directly. Step 2. When you have spoken to a trustee and it appears that bankruptcy is your best route, then they will help you complete a form which will include the following information: your personal information, name, address, and date of birth, a list of all your creditors, a list of all your assets. Your LIT will then prepare the necessary paperwork. They will also review the bankruptcy process with you. Now you're ready to file. Step 3. Once you have filed for bankruptcy, several things will happen automatically. A stay of proceedings. You have legal protection from your creditors. Calls and letters from collection agencies stop. Wage garnishments cease, except spousal and child support. Outstanding tax returns will be filed by your LIT. You complete monthly income statements for the LIT. A few other things you need to know. You are required to attend 2 credit counseling sessions. Your LIT will deal with your creditors on your behalf. You will make monthly payments to cover the cost of administering your estate and payments to your creditors if you have surplus income. Your credit rating will be downgraded as a result of the bankruptcy proceedings. Most personal bankruptcies are discharged in 9 months. At this point, your licensed insolvency trustee can advise you the best and quickest ways to rebuild your credit score. And that's it. In as little as 9 months, you can have your problem debt resolved and be on the way to the fresh start you deserve. So how to file for bankruptcy? Well, first you work out if that is your best option. And how do you discover if that's the case? Speak to one of our licensed insolvency trustees by arranging a free, no-obligation consultation.